This time Armour has bought in wooden practice swords. These are known as Wushu swords or broadswords. These are a made in India product and are manufactured using high grade premium seasoned and hardened teak wood. The teak wood is subsequently coated with polyurethane coats which are imported, highly water repellent, hence increasing the life and the coat durability of the wood. These swords are manufactured keeping in mind all international standard formats. The blade length from this tip to this end over here is around 27 to 28 inches. The handle length from here to here is 8 to 8.75 inches. The overall length, that is from the tip of the blade again all the way into the handle, is 36 to 38 inches. All our swords weigh within 800 grams. There are 3 different designs within these swords: type A, type B and type C. The stark difference in these 3 different types are the grips or the handle of the sword. Type A is generally preferred by users having a small hand grip or a medium hand grip. Type B is meant for users with a medium hand grip or a large hand grip. And type C can be used by users having small, medium and large hand grips, as the handle is a little bit longer in nature. Another difference between type A, type B and type C is that type B has a broader blade base and a sharper curve at the tip, which is highlighted by the laser point over here. Now these swords can be shipped across India and can be ordered by anyone within India. We can ship them in a single piece format or a pair format. In a pair format, it falls a little more economical because you save on shipment and the cost of 2 swords comes a little lower. All we need is a complete address and PIN code. You can make the purchase through the website which is mentioned within the description below. You can also get in touch with us via call or WhatsApp. The number again is mentioned within the description below. We have made sure that these swords are full tang in wood. So there is a single piece of wood which goes from this end all the way into the handle here, which gives the sword immense amount of durability during practice. We are looking forward to push these products in quantity to a lot of martial art institutes. So looking for orders in bulk, do get in touch with us and place your orders. Thank you.